Can you imagine waking up one morning and realizing your trading account didn't just lose money, it went negative? You didn't make any huge mistake, you didn't gamble everything away, and yet, your account is in debt. That's exactly what happened to more than 27,000 investors across Europe. And what's even worse, most of them had no idea it could happen. It wasn't because they lacked strategy or didn't know how to trade. The truth is, they chose a broker that didn't offer negative balance protection. That's a policy that sounds small, until the moment it saves your entire financial future. It's what prevents you from owing money when the market moves too fast, when there's a flash crash, a major event, or something totally unexpected. And here's the scary part. Many brokers don't offer this protection at all, especially those that aren't fully regulated in the EU. In this video, I want to help you avoid the same trap. I'll show you how to spot brokers you can trust, which ones to stay away from, and what simple steps can save you from waking up one day to an empty, or worse, negative account. You see, a lot of new traders fall into the same pattern. They get excited by bonus offers, low fees, or leverage up to 1,000. The websites look professional. The process to sign up is fast. But they don't stop to ask the most important question. If things go wrong, who's protecting me? Because in this market, it's not a matter of if volatility happens, it's when. And when it does, you want to know that your losses stop at zero, not go into the red. There's a real case that proves this. A retail trader in Spain signed up with a broker offering 500 leverage. The broker wasn't regulated under EU law. One night, GBP flash crashed. The trader lost all of his deposit. But it didn't stop there. He ended up owing the broker over 2,300 euros. Money he had to pay from his own pocket. And all of that could have been avoided with the right broker. So let's talk about what to look for when choosing a safe, EU-compliant broker. First, check their license. The safest brokers in Europe are regulated by authorities like CySEC in Cyprus, BaFin in Germany, CNMV in Spain, or AMF in France. These regulators require brokers to offer negative balance protection to retail clients. Second, check the broker's terms and conditions. That protection policy should be clearly written, not buried in vague legal language. Third, don't let zero commission fool you. Some brokers remove fees but inflate spreads behind the scenes. Always compare real trading costs. Fourth, make sure their platform is secure and well tested, like MT4, MT5, or a trusted proprietary system. And finally, customer support matters more than you think. You need someone who can respond in your own language, especially when something goes wrong. Now let me share 3 brokers you can rely on if you're trading from Europe. The first is XTB. They're based in Poland and regulated by CySEC. Their trading platform, XStation, is simple to use and available in multiple languages. What sets them apart is that during the 2020 oil price crash, they automatically closed losing trades and reset negative accounts to zero, protecting clients without any additional deposits. Next is Admirals, formerly known as Admiral Markets. Headquartered in Estonia, they're licensed by FCA, CySEC, and EFSA. They offer MetaTrader, a favorite among serious traders. Their client protection policies are clearly listed, and their execution speed is solid. The only drawback? Their website interface may be a bit complex for beginners. And third, IG Group. They're one of the most established names in the UK, but they operate a regulated branch in Germany that complies with EU law. They offer negative balance protection, but only for retail clients. If you're categorized as a pro trader, that safety net disappears, so always double-check your account status. On the flip side, let's talk about 3 brokers you should be very cautious with. First is Exness. While they have a strong reputation for fast withdrawals, the version most people use, exness.com, is not EU regulated. Many users confuse it with their UK branch, but only the UK version follows ESMA rules. Without that, there's no legal requirement for negative balance protection. Second is FBS, a broker licensed in Belize. That's outside EU jurisdiction. They promote extremely high leverage, up to 3,000, which is illegal in Europe. And they don't guarantee protection if your account goes negative. And finally, OctFX. It's widely promoted on social media and by influencers, but lacks licensing from core EU regulators like CySEC or BaFin. Their website doesn't clearly state any protection policy, and their license info is vague at best. A quick tip: check the broker's domain name. Websites ending in .eu, .frd, or .es are more likely to be regulated under European law and follow ESMA standards. So let's sum this up in one sentence. Forex trading in Europe can be safe if you choose a broker that puts your protection first. Brokers like XTB, Admirals, and IG Group are trusted, transparent, and offer real safeguards. But Exness, FBS, and Octafex may leave you exposed to losses you didn't even agree to take. If this video helped you, hit like, leave a comment with the broker you use, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll break down and compare actual spreads during the most volatile trading week of 2025. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.